Welcome, film is a CUBOT X20 and today I'll show you how to format a SD card. So to get started, you're going to open up settings. From here scroll down to storage, tap on your SD card, and tap on the three dots in the corner and go to storage settings where you will find format option. When you tap on it, it gives you a pop-up that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if there is anything that you would like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you just don't want to, click on the button, then get deafened by the obnoxiously loud sound, and after a couple of seconds the process will be finished. Again, simply click on done and there you go, it's finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.